Alright, how the does this go? God damn it. Fuck nice. Lines up. Beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous. Awesome. I'm gonna have to edit out. I'm cursing a little too much here. Oh well. Whatever. Alright, hope you guys love it. I do. Looking good. Woo-wee. Yeah. All right, so we got the lower apron on here. It's not welded in, but it's just sitting in there to see how it sits. And this thing like fits like a glove. It slides right into the notches, doesn't move. This piece here comes off. This is just an extra stabilizer. It just makes this section more stiffer to this frame right here. But all that stuff's gonna be tack welded in, and then this here, the upper apron, is gonna just slide right over this, like so. And then boom. And that's how that's gonna look. And then all this stuff is gonna get tack welded together, welded up over here, and that's it, but it's looking good so far. Everything's all good here. Now what I just need to do is I need to get the upper radiator support, put that across, work on that, make sure all this is straight. But overall, not too bad. All right, guys, well, that's the end of this episode. We got a lot of work done, more than what I thought I was going to do. The frame machine, I took a break from the frame machine. It is so tedious and a lot of work to do the frame machine, but we're still working on it. Just got to step away for a minute, take a deep breath here, and go from there. But like I said, we got some parts that came in, the upper apron. I've been waiting for this for quite a while. I got another couple of parts that are on hold, or ordered, I should say. And that's it. So listen, make sure you like and subscribe right there. All right, and then make sure you activate your little bell thing so you could be told when we have future videos coming out. If you get any questions or anything like that, please leave a comment below. Even if you got parts for a 2018 to a 2020 Mustang front end stuff, let me know. There's a few little pieces that I need that I'm not going to buy just yet, but if you got it, I'm willing to get it from you. Other than that, it's looking good. See you on the next round. Peace.